Hello and welcome to the Information Literacy Lessons at the University Libraries. This lesson is part 4 on using the Library Catalog Database, ALEPH. This lesson covers how to identify new subject terms to focus your searches. If you've not completed part 3 of this lesson on using Boolean operators, please do so before starting part 4. Incorporating subject terms into your research is one of the most powerful strategies you can use. A subject term represents a category. Items, such as books and articles, are assigned to categories or topic areas. The subject term is what you use to locate similar items within a category or topic area. Subject terms belong to a controlled vocabulary because the terms are usually assigned by people with expertise in a field or discipline. Experts in the Library of Congress assign the subject terms that are used to describe the items held within the university libraries. Knowing the appropriate subject terms for any topic helps you to identify multiple items that are about your topic or subject area. There are several ways to identify subject terms. The first is a hunt and peck method, where keywords such as marijuana and medicine are used to find items. Once you find an item that appears relevant, clicking on the title of that item will open up the full catalog record, or all the information that is entered into the catalog database for that item. Some records have minimal information in them, whereas other records may contain a table of contents for the item. Every record includes subject terms that describe the categories the item is assigned to. Our library catalog uses the Library of Congress subject terms. If the item is medical in nature, one or more medical subject heading terms, called MESH terms, will also be listed. Write down the subject terms that appear to be relevant to your topic. You will be able to search directly for materials using their subject terms in the advanced search function of the ALEPH catalog database. The second and faster way to identify search terms is to use a thesaurus or glossary of subject terms. Like most databases, the library catalog provides its own list of subject terms. Each database may use different subject terms for a given topic area, so it is important that you identify the subject terms used by the database you're searching in. The ALEPH Catalog Database has a search tool for locating subject terms. Select the Browse tab on the yellow toolbar. This will open up the screen titled Browse in Alphabetical Index. There are 2 data fields on the new screen. Enter in the word or words that best describe the subject that you want to search for in the type word or phrase field. Clicking on the blue box with the down arrow, located at the right edge of the Select Index to Browse field. A drop-down menu will appear with the index choices on it. Select Subject LC, which stands for the Library of Congress subject headings, or Subject Mesh if you're doing research in a medical area. Entering the keyword marijuana in the type word or phrase field and selecting Subject LC from the Index to Browse menu will let us see if marijuana is used as a subject term. And as you can see, we have over 30 items that use marijuana as a subject term. And then we have additional subject terms or phrases such as marijuana abuse United States, marijuana drama, and so forth. Changing our search for the phrase medical marijuana shows it is used as a subject phrase in the ALEPH catalog, and that the main library has 6 items under this subject heading. Searching for the phrase medical marijuana in the subject, mesh, or medical subject headings returns 0 hits. We can redo the search of subject mesh terms by simply typing in the single word marijuana. Marijuana is a valid mesh subject heading, along with additional mesh subject headings such as marijuana abuse, marijuana dependence, and so forth. Now that we know our subject term is the word marijuana, all you have to do to use the ALEPH Catalog Database to search for subject terms is type in the word and then open up the drop-down menu and search for words in field and select subject words. And now we're using a subject term search to retrieve similar items that are about marijuana. Every one of these 115 items is about the topic or the subject marijuana, and you can test that by simply clicking on the title and see the subject terms listed includes marijuana. The Advanced Search page provides the tools to widen or narrow your searches as needed. The optional limiters, Boolean connectors, and subject terms give you the ability to find more information on your topic than just using the basic search screen and some keywords. You will also find these techniques can be used in other databases as well with similar and positive results. Feel free to repeat this lesson as often as you need to. This is the end of Part 4 and the end of the entire catalog lesson.